All right, welcome. In this explainer, we're going to break down a 10-week hands-on workshop that's really built for one purpose, to turn you into a production-ready AI builder.
Let's just be real for a second. The AI industry is absolutely exploding, right? But what's really happening is this massive shift. Companies aren't just looking for people who can talk about AI theory anymore. No, they are desperate for a new kind of professional, someone who can actually build. The demand for people who can build and ship AI products has never, ever been higher.
And that brings us to this new role, the AI builder. It's all about bridging that gap, moving from just the theory to actual hands-on production.
Okay, so what is an AI builder, really? I mean, what do they do? Well, think of them as the architects and the engineers of the AI world. They're the ones who take a cool idea and turn it into a real functional system that people can actually use. And they're doing it with all the latest AI-powered tools, which lets them build way faster and smarter than ever before.
And look, that is exactly what this 10-week journey provides. It's a direct, hands-on path designed to give you the skills you need to become one of them.
So how do we make that transformation happen in just 10 weeks? Well, the entire experience is structured in 3 distinct cycles, and each one builds directly on the last.
You can see the timeline here. It's all about building momentum. The first 4 weeks, that's all about locking down the foundations. Then you'll take those skills and start tackling bigger, more complex challenges. And finally, you'll wrap it all up with 2 weeks dedicated to mastery and creating a professional showcase of your work.
Okay, let's get to the fun part. What are you actually going to build in each of these cycles? This is the journey from a simple app on your laptop all the way to a full-blown professional portfolio.
First up, in Cycle 1, you're going to build a complete RAG system. And for anyone who's not familiar, that stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's a game-changing technology that lets AI systems tap into specific, up-to-date information. And yeah, you're going to build one from the ground up in just 4 weeks.
And check out how practical this progression is. Step 1, you'll master your toolkit. We're talking VS Code, GitHub Copilot, the whole shebang. Then you'll build a local food RAG app using tech like ChromaDB. From there, you'll learn how to scale it by migrating it to the cloud with Upstash Vector. And finally, you'll deploy it as a live web app using Next.js. See, step by step, from local to live.
Okay, so once you've got that foundation locked in, things get even more interesting and a lot more personal. In the second cycle, you're going to create your very own professional digital twin AI assistant.
This is where your skills really start to compound. I mean, think about it. You're going to build an AI that knows your entire career history. It can then take live job postings and simulate a real job interview with you right inside your code editor. And you're not just building a prototype, you're deploying a 24/7 assistant built by you for you.
And then we hit the final 2 weeks, Cycle 3. This is where it all comes together. The focus here is laser sharp, taking all those amazing projects you've built and turning them into a professional showcase that's ready to launch your career.
So, after all that work, after 10 weeks of intense building, what do you actually walk away with? Let's talk about the tangible outcomes here.
For starters, you'll have built and deployed at least 3 distinct production-ready AI applications. And I want to be clear, these aren't just little classroom exercises. These are live, working systems.
And that's the key, right? You don't just leave this program with knowledge in your head, you leave with proof. Your portfolio is going to feature everything from your deployed RAG systems to that awesome digital twin assistant, all showcased on a professional website you built yourself. It's a tangible asset that proves what you can do to any potential employer.
But the journey doesn't just stop with a killer portfolio. It culminates in a real opportunity to connect your new skills directly with the people who matter in the industry.
Exactly. This isn't some stuffy final exam. It's a professional showcase. In that final week, you'll present your work to a panel of industry experts, the very people who are out there hiring, so you can get direct feedback and start growing your professional network. And at the end of the day, that's the whole point. We want to give you the complete toolkit. It's that powerful combination of practical skills, deep industry knowledge, and a real professional network that truly sets you up to succeed as an AI builder.
So after these 10 weeks, you're going to have the skills, you're going to have the tools, and you're going to have the portfolio to prove it all. This whole journey is basically a launch pad. So the only question left to ask is, what are you going to build next?